I'm going to quickly show you the pedestrian and vehicle crossing features in Site3D. To find them, they're under the drop curbs toolbar here. And firstly, I'm going to add in my drop curb. So I'm going to do a pedestrian crossing over this junction here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to specify the start and end of the crossing on one side of the road. And we can then choose we can then round off the width if we wanted to. So 2.4 meters for a sort of a pedestrian crossing. It's a bit big for this, but it should be fine. But you can choose whatever size you want. We can then say in this situation I probably want to have them angled over the centre line, so we hit perpendicular to centre line. That will then turn them so they point towards each other, so that then guides people as they're walking over, but you can have them at the angle of the channel if you want to. The next important thing to look at is the upstand. So for pedestrian crossing it's probably about 3 mm you need to make it easy for pushchairs to be pushed up and down the curbs. So click OK, and you can then see we have our 3D pram crossing, pedestrian crossing over the channel there. So next thing I want to do is I'm going to add in the this driveway crossing over here. So using the exact same tool, I'm going to use the snaps this time because I've got some layout things to go to. So snap to one side, snap to the other. That has chosen the width for me. I don't want to add to both sides of the road this time because I only want the junction on one side, sorry, the crossing on one side. Now this time we want the upstand to be 25 mm because that's the standard for vehicle crossing curb upstands. And I'm going to click OK. So now you can see we have this 3D vehicle crossing here with a 25 mm upstand going up, and you can see that it's dropped the curb line here, but it's left the footpath as is. Now if we go back and edit that one, we can change that, so there's other options in here. So we can drop the back of footway as well, so that will then keep the crossfall over the path. The same here, it'll just drop down both the back of footway and the curb. Then we can also then set the manual crossfall if we wanted to change that completely, but that's up to you. So click OK, and there we go, you can see what's happening. There we go, pedestrian and vehicle crossings in Site3D. Thank you.